All right, welcome everybody. Welcome. So I am so sorry. I did not know, okay, that there was a second way to play Pokemon Champions on your PC. So if you came from my original tutorial, awesome. Let me just get up the new one for you real quick. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to change the background. So we're here for a different one today, which is this one. All right, let me just now get this going for you guys. All right, so on our last episode of our tutorials, we were talking about good old screen copy. But now there is LDPlayer 14. I discovered that there was this post in the LDPlayer Discord, and well, I found it on Twitter first. That LDPlayer 14 was able to play Pokemon Champions. Now, there's a couple of things I want to go over with this before we get started. There is an entire help Discord for LDPlayer. Okay, LDPlayer is a phone emulator. You can do like rooted phone service on it and everything else. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, and I can tell you the Pokemon Champions is really crisp. I don't know if you've heard the story, but I cracked my phone the day before Champions release, like the update, and mine was not working. Mine takes too long to load the window that when you try to link your account, you cannot. But this also works for Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket. I know a lot of people that were using LDPlayer were originally using a Vulcan build for that and 9, and both of those, as far as I know, 14 is the only one that when you set up your Play Store that you're going to be able to find champions. If you manually download it like an APK file onto a different version of LDPlayer, this is also for you guys that have iPhones. As long as you've got like a regular computer that's Windows based, you can run LDPlayer 14.0.81. I'm going to leave the link and everything below in the description. You're going to go on there, you're just going to download it, you're going to let it run your setup, go into your Google Play Store, set up your Google Play Store the same way you would with your phone, and then you're just going to search for Pokemon Champions, and it will allow you to install it. And that's it. You just plug and play this thing. It's super great. I myself have NVIDIA graphics drivers like GeForce GTX. So if you get a crash when you start Champions, that is because you probably don't have your stuff updated. You can get rid of the LDPlayer sidebar. You don't need it. I have not really changed hardly any settings on here. You're welcome to look at mine. 16 by 9. Changed all that around, and I've already linked everything. And let me tell you guys, this thing is smooth as butter. Like, it is so smooth. Great job to the people at the LDPlayer on the other side over there. You guys are awesome, okay? I do want to show you. I'm going to leave... Hold on, I'm about to go show you a picture on Discord, because this is very, very important. Listen to me. Okay. If you are playing on the go on your phone and you try to link your Switch account to your phone, your physical phone, and then you try to link it back here, you're going to get an error. And I have a picture of the error that you're going to get. Okay, I'm going to go get that picture for y'all. So if you come to... Hold on, I got to find it. Because this is very important, okay? Okay? I want to show you guys this, because you need to see it. You need to see it. So, here you go. You can see it. The data has already been transferred to a different device. So what that means is, you've already linked your accounts. As you can see, I am playing... the same. I'm also going to show you that it is the same as my Switch account. If you go here to the boxes, it loads perfectly fine. My computer only has, I think, 8 gigs of RAM. I don't know if my backup computer has 8 gigs of RAM. I also currently am running with like 20 gigs of free space, so I've got a lot of footage from ZA, the playthrough, champions, and all that to move over. And there's the team I was just using in the last video. So you can see it is my Switch account. It even has a little icon up here showing that you're charged. So that's kind of nice. So for me personally, since it doesn't work on my phone, this is how I can play champions on the go. I can log in with my phone and control my computer and click on the buttons on here and play champions on the go. This is good for me for like if I'm missing an event and stuff like that. Funny story, the other phone that I have broken that won't charge, Champions runs fine on it. No problems. But I came to the fact that literally when I go onto here and I try to link it and then link again, I got that error message. So, but there's a way around that. I'm not going to do it, but all you have to do on LD or phone or whatever you're doing, you click this and you uninstall, but you also go into Champions. Okay, let me load Champions again. I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm not going to actually do it because, like I said, I don't want the hassle of trying to reconnect my accounts. So I'm just doing this really quickly for you. You're going to go back into Champions real quick. Eventually, when it loads. And as you can see, I'm pretty much playing full screen. So it does take a minute to load, but it only runs on LDPlayer 14. If you have issues, go to the Discord link down below in the description. Check your drivers, your graphics drivers, check all of that stuff, because this was basically plug and play for me, okay? So, you're like, Ark, you just did a tutorial. You're right, I did a tutorial for you using screen mirroring with an Android to basically display your phone screen on your PC, but that is not true PC play. True PC play is being able to do this, okay? So, when I get more storage, like, locked up and get some stuff cleared off, I'll make a video with the Champions mobile version so you can see the difference. I want you guys to see that it is pretty fluid for what it is, and I do like it a lot. I will tell you, and I posted this, but I want to make sure that we are understanding, even if you continue to get the loop boot, where you are putting in your account information and you're getting loop booted back into the logo, that is a big issue on Reddit. It is a big issue overall. It is just a big issue in general. It might have cleared up since then, but if it didn't, don't worry. You only need to get it linked, even if you can't, like, get into Champions. When you go back on the Switch, you go to your mailbox, and your special campaign gift with your Raichu and stuff will be there. So no worries on that part. So, as you can see, what you need to do here is you need to go into your sub menu, and you need to scroll down. No, you don't need to scroll down, I'm sorry. You need to go to Settings. I'm looking for where you clear the cache. Other. Okay, account. Okay, so it looks like account Google optional. So I don't know how to do it from that. I don't know how to unlink it on the phone. You are best just clearing it out. I know the phone version has a different menu where you can go into the cache and clear the cache, but I'm not seeing it on here. If I see it, I'll try to make a short of something. But if you have any questions, any comments, concerns, problems of trying to play Champions on your PC, feel free to leave a comment down below. Ask me any questions that you need to. I'm happy to help you. I am Arkvale. I'm Ark. I have Pokemon Champions content, recruit-only battles, where basically I go and click recruit, and I don't change anything about the Pokemon. I just give them items in battle. I have singles and doubles ranked. I have seasons 1, 2, and 3 of the different seasons that I'm recording and uploading to YouTube. And I also have the one ranked competition I played in where I used one of the coolest Aerodactyls you will ever see. So be sure to check that out and celebrate all of that with me. Thank you guys so much for all of the support. Like I said, if you need any help, join the Discord. Take my Discord, ask for my Discord, whatever that you need that I can help you out. And I'll see you guys sooner than you think. Take care and peace out.